What's going on, guys? Here, Brian here. In my last clip, it didn't go so well. We are doing the nerf battle.
Where's the double-sided tape?
I have no idea. That's why I was looking for it. Couldn't find it. And guys, we are not noobs at this. We've done this before, and we are also kind of professionals, apart from us being kids. Nope.
Not.
Huh?
Can I actually have this mouse? Just kidding.
Bro. And everything you see is a collectible of mine. All of that.
Where is the double-sided
Apart from that.
Where is the double-sided tape?
Bro.
Actually, you just hold your phone. You just record it while you're holding it.
Okay, guys, we are going to start the nerf battle. And I don't know where to put my phone.
Just hold it, bro.
Okay, guys.
It's gonna be your security camera.
Okay. We are kind of professionals, not really professionals. Oh, crap.
But you have to hide it. I have to hide too.
Okay. And spawn! Okay, guys, I'm gonna be really quiet. Why did I have to get a heavy gun? Okay, guys. Okay, I'm walking into it.
Wait, pause the match real quick. I didn't take my shoes off. Ugh. Pause the match. I got it.
Okay, we're paused. We're paused.
Okay. Go back into your room.
Guys, and we're also going, well, I'm going to get a smaller gun, because that's way too heavy. This is my gun collection. All right. Oh my goodness, that's pitch black. Oh my god. Come on. Okay, guys, got it. Pause! I mean, unpause! Oh, dang it. Jammed. Oh, I hear someone. I hear someone. La 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 la. Ah! Oh God! Pause! I need to get a new weapon. All these weapons suck. Oh, yes. Bro! You scared the heck out of me. Okay, guys, we're still recording, but as you can see, this is kind of a failure. Don't you dare put that on your foot. That's for your hand. That's what my friend got confused with. And she is about to become a YouTuber. Hasn't really got the right stuff yet. And I hope you like her if you ever see her.
No. That's all I say.
And if you're a girl out there, of course you'll love her, because she's obviously a girl.
She's not that good.
Bro, she hasn't even started YouTube.
Okay.
Are you calling me a dummy? Want me to shoot this right now? I'm gonna shoot you right now. Come on. Come on, show me what you got. Whoa! This is really cool. Bro, no. Okay, I'm going to go in my hiding place. Started! Me. La 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 No! I need to reload! Pause game! Pause! Ow! Dude, it's hard to reload this thing. Guys, I literally just can't. Bye. See you later. You suck. Okay, guys, this was a very bad idea with a very violent person on camera.
Oh yeah, Bart.
And